Hi there, students. A druid, druidic. Okay, a druid was a priest, but in pre-Christian times, a druid was an order of priests in ancient Gaul and in Britain and in Wales and in Ireland. Okay, and the Druids were prophets, they were sorcerers, they were magicians, they were also the keepers of the law, and they were effectively important members of prehistoric British society. For example, Stonehenge. I am certain that Druids worshipped at Stonehenge. Let's see, the Druids were first mentioned in writing by Julius Caesar, I think when he invaded England. He says that these were the religious leaders. Okay, so Druidic practices. You will find people today who also say that they are Druids, that they are the ancestors, or they've taken up this old Celtic religion. Yeah, the Druidic religion is before Christianity came, before the Romans came. Yeah, this is the old Celtic religion. Yeah, it's from the Druids. Yeah, for example, I think Merlin very often, Merlin as in King Arthur, is portrayed as a Druid. Yeah, and this religion was in Britain, Ireland, and in France. I think the island of Anglesey in Wales was supposed to be their stronghold, or it certainly was during the Roman invasion. Let's see, the Druids have had a particular affinity with trees, and the Druids were responsible for the folklore, or for the law, what people should do, what people shouldn't do, what were the right rituals. Yeah, but effectively they're magicians, they're wizards, they're sorcerers. Okay, so a Druid, yeah, effectively a monk before the Romans ever set foot in Britain. Formality, I would give this word a 5 in formality. You can use it anywhere. And then as an adjective, Druidic. Now, the origin is quite interesting. Let's see, there's a Gaulish word, Druids, yeah, which comes from Proto-Celtic, Druids, literally somebody who knows the oak tree. And as I said, the Druids were particularly fascinated by trees. They certain trees were holy trees to them, and that itself, Druids, comes from Proto-Indo-European doru, a tree. Yeah, so, and the wit bit, wed, in Proto-Indo-European see. So I think this is a seer of trees. It's somebody who can see into it. I think this is probably related to the word a dryad. A dryad is a spirit of the trees, or a spirit of the forests. Okay, so Druids. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Druid, Druidic.